What's going on, everybody? Lambo here. I figured we will do a quick walkthrough. Maybe this is a little bit overwhelming for some people. So in order to create your own app, you're going to open it up. It'll say My Projects and Shared Projects. And we'll click on this little sign. And there's a bunch of examples if you want to go look at it and kind of see how they did things, how they created stuff. We're going to click New Project. Application name. So when you see this on your homepage, that's what it's going to say. So we'll name it My App. And you can add a nifty little something. I don't know what, but we'll figure out something. But basically an icon. Here we go. That's awesome. Okay. So we have that. This will go through kind of designs, feels, what everything is. So done. Here's your main view. So linear, we'll go through the layouts really quick. Linear allows you to post things side by side. So you make a linear and then you can just sit there and keep posting and posting and posting. Linear V allows you to go up and down on things. So like that, see, and then you can just keep posting and posting and it'll stack that way. As we get into the buttons here in a minute, let me delete some stuff. I made a big mess. So we got one linear left. Okay, so, and the scrolls are neat. Scrolls are really cool. So let's go a V, and then let's go a horizontal scroll inside of that, right? And then we'll open up the properties of the linear. You gotta make sure you're clicking on it right. Edit properties, and we'll go layout width. Most phones are like 350, so to get you going right off the bat, I just put that. Menu. And then if you don't want it to match your parent, I would say 100, just to get started. So in there, we can put next up is a text view, right? So go into edit and text, and we can make it say, welcome. Okay, and then from there, you can do an edit text, this is where the user puts in info. User will put in info, and the app can reach into that and say if you're logging into a site or doing some type of verification. Okay, next up we have a button. If I can get it, I want inside the box. Give me the box. It's so hard to get inside the box. Okay, well, he didn't want to let me inside the box. So I'll hang out on this side of the box. So with the button, you can go right in. So starting from the top, this is the ID. When you go to do the logic editor, you're going to want to have these so you know what it is, but also, you know, where it goes. So I like to just put button home. Layout width. This is going to adjust how big the box is. Same thing with the height. The padding. This is the area in between the words and the outside of the box. I usually like to keep it real nice and tight. So, I mean, nice and tight's about a 2. You can adjust that for whatever you want. The background color of the button. So if we want the button to be black. Gravity, I believe this is where the actual text sits inside of the button. So if it rides in the height or the bottom or anything like that, so we'll go top just to see if that is. Layout gravity, this is where the button resides inside of the linear area, so we'll go far left. And this is the text that the button will say. And we will put that as home. Okay, and this is obviously the text size, so we'll put that as 14. Oh, wrong one. You want it bold, italic, or bold and italic, and then you can change the color of it based off all these colors right here. We're going to need to change that light green or something. Yeah, light green's cool. Enabled, so it's actually working, and then you can rotate the button sideways or any such like that. Alpha, I don't know what alpha means. My bad on that one. But we'll go back and we'll see all the crazy stuff we did to our button. Yep, so it's in the top left, and gravity's the far left. So I was wrong about that one. Alright. Yeah, let's go image view. Okay, so next up, properties. How you put in an image. If you go here and you're like, oh, image, and there's no image, click back there, go to image manager. And from here you can add images from your phone or wherever. And there you go, you can put in a picture. Let's put in a picture. My scary daughter on Facebook. Okay, and then wording. If it says this, there's a lot of little letters and stuff you can't use, so and we can only use small letters. That's good. This is just a fun one. Okay, so that image is added. So we go back to image view again, and then we'll click default image, screenshot. It's going to show that whole image. I just want to play around with something. I want to go not enabled, and then when you click that button, logic, on create, I'm just playing here, seeing what I can do. Image view 1, that's of the screenshot. Set image to, oh, so you can change it. That's nifty. So you could sit there and press buttons and go back through, and we could change it between those two. So when it loads up, but when you press the clicker, image view, it'll change to that. Well, I will just have to see if this bad boy works. Okay, app's installed. So we'll click on that guy. It loads up, just has that little Android dude. And then when I click on the home thing, boom, there goes an image. And then you can make other buttons too to where that image will change and change and change and change. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like, and I will keep playing around with this and keep recording what I find. Thank you.